Hello, I'm Susmita Siddhi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I make videos on skincare, makeup and sometimes clothing haul. So if you're interested in these categories, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click that subscribe button. And today I'm gonna do a video on moisturizers. Like I'll help you guys pick out which moisturizer will suit which skin type. And I have a few moisturizers which are good and will suit different skin types and differently. So there are sensitive skin, dry skin combination and oily skin. So I'll let you know which moisturizer will suit and which type of moisturizer you have to buy for your skin. So yeah, let's get into this video. So I have some of these moisturizers which will suit different skin types and I'll help you guys pick out which moisturizer will suit your skin. So let's start off with dry skin people. So yeah, this is like at the time of winter and even summer will come. So it's not very cold, it's not very hot, it's in the medium range. So in winters, dry skin people tend to get dry, very dry, and their skin will get flaky. And I'm not a dry skin girl, so I don't know about dry skin so much, but I have heard some people tell about their skin, if they are dry, they'll get flaky and all. So I have this Kiehl's moisturizer, Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream, which will actually work for dry skin, and this has a creamy, thick, white texture. This is not a gel-based moisturizer. For normal skin, you can't bear this facial cream because it gets too oily if you apply this in summers. In mid of the winter, you can apply this, but in summers, I don't think so. This will work for normal skin. And for dry skin, this is their buddy. This can work greatly on dry skin people, and dry skin people should choose a moisturizer which will contain more emollients and more white creamy consistency. They should not use a moisturizer which is like a gel based watery kind of moisturizer, because you know that doesn't work so much well on dry skin. So I recommend buying a thick moisturizer for dry skin people. And another moisturizer which I recommend for dry skin people is the Plum Green Tea Mattifying Moisturizer. So many of you used this Plum on oily skin. I have a normal skin, but I don't think so this moisturizer is very lightweight, because I find it thick on my skin, because I can't use this moisturizer. When I use this moisturizer, I tend to get oiliness around my nose, and this, I think so it will work only for dry skin. Sometimes for normal combination, I think so, but for my skin it didn't work. No offense if it is working on oily skin, but I recommend it to the dry skin people and normal skin type girls. If you're dry skin people girl and you want a moisturizer for summers, and what moisturizer you have to choose in summers. So in summers, Clinique Moisture Surge. Clinique Moisture Surge works better for dry, normal, combination, oily skin girls, because this moisturizer is spoken by many of the creators and many of them tried it and they are liking a lot, and even I tried it and I'm loving a lot. So I think so for dry skin people, if you feel very oily in summers, then you can use a Clinique moisturizer which is lightweight and also stays on for like 72 hours as said by them, but I don't think so it moisturizes your skin for 72 hours. I think so it will moisturize your skin for at least 12 hours. So next, coming to normal skin type girls can apply any moisturizer they like, because they are gifted with normal skin, because they don't tend to get oily very much and they don't tend to get very dry skin. So they can use any moisturizer they like. Mostly you can choose a gel based moisturizer, because cream based moisturizers tend to make your skin a little bit oily. So choose a gel based moisturizer which hydrates your skin for like 6 hours or more. I recommend you guys to use the Pond's Super Light Gel, which has a hyaluronic acid plus vitamin E. If you want a detailed review about this product, you can go check out my description box. I have mentioned a link in the description box. And this has this texture. So it's a gel based moisturizer, and it's very lightweight. It even worked for me in winters because I have a normal skin, and this worked even for me in winters. So I'm liking this product a lot, and this costs very low. It is very affordable moisturizer. You can just grab this moisturizer because it's very affordable and it's worked like heaven on your skin. But if you're sensitive skin, no to this moisturizer. You can use the Clinique moisturizer, but it's overly priced. So you can choose, it's your wish, babe. If you're in a budget for Clinique, then go for Clinique, or else you can go for any moisturizer which doesn't contain any fragrances. Fragrances doesn't suit sensitive skin girls, so you can choose a Clinique moisturizer instead of Pond's. If you're looking for this hyaluronic acid kind of range moisturizer, you can choose Clinique, and for normal you can choose Pond's, and also for oily you can choose Pond's moisturizer. I even have this chia seed vitamin B12 hydro lotion. So this is from the Face Shop brand, and it works very perfectly for my skin. I'm in the normal skin type range. If you're in a dry to combination, you can even use this. For oily skin, I think so it doesn't work well because it is having a little thick consistency, not very thick, but it's in a semi-thick consistency, and yeah, I'm liking this a lot. Even combination skin type girls can use this. It works really great. And also you will have 145 ml, and the cost, everything will be mentioned in the description box. You can go and check it out. I'll mention the links of all the products which I mentioned in the video. You can check out. So I even have this Ampule sleeping mask, which is just used for hydration. It doesn't have any actives. So in a moisturizer, you have to not choose any actives, because actives must be present in your serum, not in your moisturizer. Moisturizer is used for hydrating your skin, not for removing your acne marks or such kind of stuff. It's not for that. Moisturizer is used only for hydration and giving you that plumpy glowing skin. Serum is used for removing your any acne marks if you have, or if you are having uneven skin tone problem, that serum will help. And it is only used by dry to combination skin. I don't recommend this sleeping mask for oily skin people because this is somewhat thick consistency cream, and it's good. You can use it, and after using it you'll feel like a baby soft skin. I like this a lot. Whenever my skin feels dry, then I use this sleeping mask because it's like a thick consistency, and it helps my skin heal a lot in terms of hydration. So for oily skin people, you can use this M Caffeine Naked Detox Green Tea Night Gel. So this is having a light gel-like consistency. You know, M Caffeine even has a green tea serum. I have that green tea serum range, everything from starting to face wash, face scrub, serum, and this night gel. I'm disappointed by that range because even serum and this moisturizer works the same. There is no difference between the serum and this moisturizer because both are having literally almost same ingredients and actives, green tea. I don't know why they have mentioned a serum and a moisturizer, why they have manufactured both. So choose only one, man. You can choose a serum or a moisturizer if you want. So I said serum, only actives, not for hydration. You know, serum also give you hydration, but choose mostly that powerful serum which will work for your skin. So this is the M Caffeine Naked Detox Green Tea Night Gel, and it works perfectly. It gives a good amount of hydration. You know, you can even apply it in the morning, afternoon, evening, or night. So I have this white seed lotion from the Face Shop. I say it is used for hydration only. It can suit for combination normal to oily skin girls. For dry skin people, I don't think so this will fulfill the thirst of your skin. I have only in mini version. I have used also this lotion in the full bottle version, and yeah, it worked better. So I have 2 aloe vera gels with me that will suit all skin types, mostly all skin types. But for dry to combination skin, I think you can use this Jeju Aloe from Face Shop, and if you are a oily skin person, you can use this Innisfree because this is somewhat lightweight than this moisturizer. It has thick consistency. This will have a lightweight consistency, so you can opt according to your skin type. In winters, you can choose this from Face Shop, and in summers you can choose this Innisfree Aloe Gel. So points to be remembered: first, you have to choose a serum which is containing actives, then you have to use a moisturizer which will fulfill the thirst of your skin. So sensitive skin people shouldn't use a moisturizer which is containing any fragrance. So the normal skin type can choose any moisturizer which fulfills your thirst, and for dry skin, I think you can choose a moisturizer which is containing cream thick based consistency moisturizer, and for oily skin, lightweight, every time lightweight moisturizer. So that's all for today's video, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that whenever I post video, you will get notified and you won't miss any video of mine. And also you can go to my Instagram and check out my videos. I post videos on makeup tutorials and also some fun reels. So yeah, you can check out there also. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Bye bye.